Hello class, this is Dr. Andrew Hyman. I am going to create a kind of video tutorial today on how you can use Excel from any computer that has an internet connection. I know and I've come to understand over the time that I've taught this course that not all students are going to have ready access to a computer that will have Excel. Quick note, you can download Excel from UNLV, but I understand that if you're not even capable of having a computer quite readily, if you're not able to get to campus to be able to use the computers on campus that have Excel very easily, I want to be able to give you this kind of hack in a way, more of a trick than a hack, to be able to allow you to use Excel without having to actually need to download Excel to a computer. So what the advantage is that you can now use Excel, and perhaps one of the most up-to-date versions of Excel, without needing to actually download Excel. How you can do this is, you can see here, I'm in my Gmail account through UNLV, and what I am going to show you is that as a student of UNLV, you should be able to use what are called Google Sheets. Okay, so I'm in my Gmail, and if you're on this page, and I'm just, there's no mail here because I'm in my snooze because I don't want anyone to see my inbox, but I wanted to show the first step. I went to my Gmail. I'm here kind of at the default page. I'm going to go up to these three dots here. I'm going to click on Sheets. Okay, now you can see that there's a lot of things here already that I've already done. What I'm going to do then is just go to a blank sheet. Okay, and here I'm in Excel right here, and now I can even save this as whatever I want. I'm going to call this Kin 200 test homework, if I want to, and now I can do the same things that I want to do in Excel as if I had downloaded it to my computer, but now I'm just doing it online. And what's nice about this is that I've created this homework here. If I have to quickly stop and go somewhere else and work on a different computer, I can quite easily go back to Sheets again and see that everything that I worked on here is going to be saved. So let's say I exit out of here. I'm going to put in the number 25 because perhaps that's how many people are in a sample. And go back here, I can exit out of this, go back to my sheets, go back to my homework test, there's 25, okay? So any work that you do on one computer is going to be saved online through the UNLV kind of cloud that we have, and you're going to be able to access it from any other computer that has internet. Okay, so the default is that you need to be able to have internet. If you don't have internet, then this would be very difficult, and that's what I would then suggest is trying to download Excel. Now, the other kind of benefit of this is that if I'm working on this, okay, I'm done with this for now, I'm going to go back to Sheets, and I'm going to create a blank one. There will be a step in the homework. We'll give you a worksheet. So this is a sheet here, what we're looking at here. You can see in the bottom left, this is called a sheet, an Excel sheet or spreadsheet. And we're going to give you a sheet that's within the Canvas course page. So I can even, maybe I'll go into that really quickly. Let's see if it allows me to do that. Right, here we are. Okay, so here I have this Excel spreadsheet here. Okay, I can't do anything with it when it's within Canvas, so I have to download it. All right, and this is a very, very helpful sheet when it comes to doing questions that are concerned with independent t-test confidence interval calculations. Okay, so I've downloaded it. It's on my computer here. And now what I'm going to do is come here, I'm going to go to open, and I'm going to upload. I'm going to select a file. I've already done this before, so I have multiple of them. I'm going to do the one that I just most recently did. I'm going to open that, it's going to upload it. And there it is, okay? And so now I have this sheet that I had downloaded from Canvas, now existing in this sheet that I have online, and I can enter in, whatever I need to be able to now complete the question. I'm just putting in random numbers here, and none of these have anything to do with any of the homeworks. And there, it's doing all the calculations for me. This will be more clear when you kind of go through the homework and the tutorial associated with this, but this is kind of the ability to be able to use Excel and this sheet without actually needing to download Excel onto your computer. Okay, so I hope you're finding this helpful. And so I can exit out of Canvas, I can exit out of this, I can exit out of this as well. I can come back onto a different computer, go back to my sheets, see that it's saved here with all of my work intact. Okay, really helpful. Not something you can do with a downloaded version from one computer to another. You'd have to basically, if you had this on your desktop version, where it's just on your computer, you'd have to download the sheet with everything, send it to yourself, and then upload it to a different computer, and then put it back into Excel on a different. So you can see kind of how it would be too complicated to be able to have to do all these things. So this is very simple. Hopefully this is very straightforward. This will allow you to get around needing to do any type of downloads of Excel on computers that are perhaps pretty old or might not be yours, or whatever the case may be. So hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions for me, please reach out to me and I'd be happy to help. Okay? All right. Talk to you later. Bye.